Okay, welcome to this video here on ellipses. Okay, so I'm going to do 2017 section B, question B1 ordinary level of the DEB mock exams 2017. So the figure shows design for a fairy door. The logo is based on circles and on an ellipse. The curve ABCD is an ellipse, so we have an ellipse here. Okay, AC is the major axis, right? So this is the major axis. Yeah, and it is 110 millimeters long. 110 millimeters long. So A to C is 110. A to C is 110. Okay. O to B then is half the minor axis. O to B is half the minor axis and is 40 millimeters long. So this is the minor axis, and that's 40. Draw the given ellipse and complete the design. Complete the design showing clearly all constructions. Right. Okay, so how are we going to do it? We're going to draw in our major circle. Okay, so compass at O. O to C is 55 because A to C is 110. So I'm going to have my compass center there. Then I'm going to draw in my minor axis. And that's radius 40. So there are the dimensions there, 110 and 40. Okay, sorry it was zoomed out a bit. Now, we're going to divide with our set squares the circles up into 60, 30. So with your set squares, divide it into 60, 30. I'm just using my compass there for a bit of speed. And we're going to draw our division lines through the center. Now, where our division lines hit the major circle, we're going to go parallel to the minor axis towards the major axis. So we're going to go parallel to the minor axis towards the major axis. And then where our division lines hit the minor circle, the inside one, we're going to go parallel to our major axis away from the minor axis. So we're going to go parallel to the major axis away from the minor axis from where the division lines hit the minor circle. And then these give us the points on the ellipse. So D and B are points on the ellipse, so are A and C. And then we'll freehand sketch them in lightly to begin with, because when we're doing this one, we don't know where that line is until we draw the rectangle. So we'll start anyways drawing. We'll start drawing. Okay. So my major axis is vertical. In this question, my minor axis is horizontal. The major diameter, so the big circle has a major diameter of 110. So that'll leave a radius 55. Okay, so I'll mark 55 there, and I'm going to draw a circle with radius 55. radius 55, and I'm also going to draw a circle with radius 40. So diameter is 110 for the big major circle and 80 for the minor circle. Right, we'll divide our ellipse into 60-30. Tiny bit off there. As I was saying, where the division lines hit the major circle, parallel to the minor axis towards the middle, and where the division lines hit the minor circle, parallel to the major axis, away from the middle, or away from the minor axis. And here's points on the ellipse. Okay, I'm going to freehand sketch them in a short while. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the base. It's 100 long, so 50 either side, and 20 in total, so 10 and 10 high. So I'm going to do that. So I can just mark 50 along the center line here. You don't have to along the center line. You could do it as a construction line on the bottom. Now, the base starts from C, so it starts from C. So I'm going to go up 10 and 10 from letter C. We're heading out to here. Now, I'm going to freehand sketch that ellipse in. So I'll do a quarter of it. You're just going to keep your hand inside the curve and freehand sketch the points in. Okay, lightly, heavy all the way around until you hit there. And this portion inside is lightly, so look, all this here in purple is lightly done, and the rest around it is heavy. So I'll pause and do that. So once that is done, we have to do these divisions here. Now, how we're going to do that, right? So we don't know the distance between there, and it has to be done in equal divisions. It is to be divided into 6 equal divisions. So what we're going to do is draw a line at any acute angle, probably 30 degrees, and we're going to mark 6 equal parts along that. So I'll probably go with 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and then 90. And then you join the last one back here to the point, and then you use your sliding set squares so all the lines remain parallel. So you'll put your set square there, you can line another set square, t-square up beneath it, and you're going to slide your set square back and draw in your lines until they touch. Okay, they're going to touch all the points up here. Careful not to do it to the bottom. That'd be a common mistake students might make. Okay, and then you can go straight up then from the point. So we're going to begin that, right? So I'm going to draw a line at any acute angle here. Okay, so I'm going to do 30 degrees. I'm going to make it 9 long. It doesn't have to be 9 long, you just have to fit 6 equal divisions on it. I know 90 millimeters or 9 centimeters divided by 6 equals 15 millimeters or 1.5 centimeters. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Okay, and there's the 90. Now we're going to join. We're going to join the last one back here. There, and I have my t-square underneath it. I'm holding my t-square down steady or stable. I'm going to draw lines parallel to each one, or to the last one, from each of the dots we've marked in. Okay, you got to be dead accurate. And then we're going to heavy in the lines. Okay, all bar this one. We'll have to do a light line and a radius 6 circle. Okay, and the remaining portion heavy. So here's a heavy line for the fairy door. There's a heavy line there. Heavy line. Heavy line. Heavy line. This went a little bit too far there. And then, so I docked myself a mark off there for that. That's too thick, that line. That's better accuracy. I just want to neaten. Then we're going to go lightly here. We're going to draw in the circle radius 6 and then heavy it in. The question done. Cheers. Thank you. Bye bye.